In our first assignment, you're going to be building two landscapes. One is just a straight ahead landscape, and the other to explore some other drawing tools, which are sort of a watery color kind of a thing. The one landscape you can do is just and I'll show you more in the tutorial on building a landscape, but I want to show you just a technique to sort of build a watercolor kind of a feel. So let's do some just general watercolory painting. So I'm going to pick my brush here, and look, I've got all kinds of little brush things. I've got, what is this? This is to create a drawing object. Unclick, click. If you have a bunch of drawing objects on your stage, you know it's because you probably did this. And the way to get rid of them is to click each individual or all of them and go Control B or Command B, which is break apart, or modify, break apart. All right, so let's draw something, and I'm going to draw with the drawing object. So let's build some watercolor parts. I'm going to do something interesting here. So this fill, you can see, is blue, and it's at 100%. This means that that's the opacity. So I'm going to take this down to, let's say, 45. I'm going to draw this. Notice when I select it, it is a drawing object. If I double click on it, you can see this little breadcrumb. It says drawing object. I'm going to go back to scene 1. This is the main stage, and this is within the object itself. When you click on it, it's not a drawing object inside of the drawing object. Duh. Okay. Let me just keep drawing on this. See how it starts to build up here? Looks a little bit like watercolor. I'm going to go into a little bit of yellow. I'm hitting the space key and moving my stage across. Now let's do some red. And I'm going to do a little more opacity. Even more. I'm going to get it down to 11%. There we go. So you can do this. Let's say I want to do a tree. Changing the opacity here. There's two ways to change opacity. One is here. See this alpha? And one is here. I can use the two keys next to the P to reduce or expand the size of my brush. It's very handy. It's like Photoshop. Grab some green. Okay, you get the picture. This is how to do a landscape using some watercolor type of brushes. Okay, so that's it for this for a little bit.